Welcome back to the channel. This is house renovation update 2. I have another update next month, but unfortunately that might be the last one for a while because we have run out of money. We only got enough for the floor and to do a little decking that you will see end of the video. Now we have to gather money again, and that takes a while. So enjoy this video and the next video next month, and just pray for us that that might not be the last update. Thank you so much for watching. It's just only that part that you're seeing a lot of stuff that needs to be removed, and there will be poured as well. So I'm thankful.
So everything is here is ready for concrete. All I got to do is put up the decking for here now, starting in line with this column here coming down. That was skin the walls. That's a 5-minute job, but I would come up here with some plywood to block off this part to bring it to the height of this existing concrete here, right away around to where you see the X. Just a little bit more stuff got to clean up from there. Next time I come, I can deal with that. But as for now, this is ready for action. Just 2 hours in the work can make a lot of difference. All right, I just realizing some of the materials that come off the roof, some that come off the door frames, and the loose materials as well about the place, just to give me this decking now to cast this floor here. What you're doing here is just propping this area. This is the holy concrete for this section. And this wood here is actually good wood too, because the time that this was here is in some good wood. Alright, you just putting the plywood on the deck, no way doing it in a smart way that many concrete casts, and you could just walk right in with the pancart on the existing stuff that there, so that way you ain't clear doing stuff right now. The concrete is going to be coming to this area here, but it's extended a little further out so that there's stuff actually holding some of the weight of the concrete. All right, so I put in the steel for the there. This area, I put some high tension steel into squares. So I gotta come back and finish tie off the rest of the steel and support, put some more support at the back, and then a little area there. I'm here back at the house. I think you already know that this floor here is finished plastered. So the reason for plastering this is that I wanted to get the maximum thickness of concrete. In this area, this is 5 inches of concrete, and I bring it right up to finish height, which made it around 6 inches of concrete thickness. So the maximum strength of the 6 inches is right in this area, because this is a floating deck. 5 inches is okay, but 6 inches is obviously better. So from here, I will level this area throughout the house. So what I have done since then, I've set these you call level heights to, when I put on the mortar, I will float to these heights. Instead of having to get a rod and a level each time I get to a certain length, I will just put mortar from this point to that point to set my height, and then you will carry on to each height. That will give you the height you need for mortar inside the house. So further preparation is that I have to come and sweep down this area and put some bonding to the floor so the mortar was bond properly to the concrete. So in this area, this is my homemade ladder. So what I'm planning to do now, we are going to carry concrete decking in this area. So it will overhang approximately, say, 16 inches, or probably 12 inches, a little less, but it will be solid concrete. So again, this here will be, I would say, around 5 inches. This is to carry any water tanks, pumps, air conditioning, stuff like that. So in this area here, which is bare bush, which is a lot of bush right now, is going to be an area for the servicing that's going to carry all my electricals and stuff like that. So the decking is going to come off of this area into an L shape back to that area. So you'll be able to put tanks, as I tell you, with air condition. You could come up top here and look at the view. So if you look, that is the view from here. As you can see, there's a lot of houses underneath the house because we are like on a cliff, and we are very close to the sea. Nice blue waters. So as you can see, you'll be able to see this great view from here. And yes, you can look at the upper view. Right, so this is what I plan to do next. Continue with the beams coming across here. As I tell you, into this point is the decking, and then finish complete the roof.